Hi, Sam.
Oh, you know what this is? This is a wattage limiter. We'll have to take that out as well. Busted light switch. And a burnt out
Incandescent bulb.
Every single time we go through this, I am just astounded at how
Here,
terrible
catch.
these bulbs are.
Would it be funny if that broke it?
It's astounding. How? And then you put it down on the table a little bit too hard and it breaks. Here's a 3733.
Yeah, maybe that's what it needs.
Oh, why is there busted glass all over the floor? Oh no!
3733 probably still works just fine.
Oh, that was the Galaxy one, too.
Oh, sorry, this is a 4733.
That's why I broke it.
Yeah, alright, we gotta get this cleaned up. This is a laceration hazard. Probably should be using an aura just so oh, those are garbage in the comments box.
One of those, like, the Hampton Bay of vacuums.
Yep, but yet they work perfectly year after year. Fortunately, those incandescent bulbs are not banned, so I can just go out to the store and buy more. Gotta get some more
Incandescent.
bulbs.
Incandescent.